Hi and welcome again to my channel Digital Toolcase. This is Chris and today I want to talk about ClosersCopy and frameworks and workflows that are two important, super important parts of this AI writing tool. But before I want to remember you, if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do it by clicking the button here below the video and click on the bell if you want to receive the notification when I release new videos like this. As always, bear with me because I'm not an English-speaking person, so sorry for my bad English. If you don't know ClosersCopy, you can watch my entire review. You can find the link here in the description or here in the video. And you can find my affiliate link below if you want to buy ClosersCopy and take the chance to have the lifetime deal until it's there. So you will pay a one-time fee and you will use forever and unlimited this fantastic app. So let's get into ClosersCopy and frameworks to start this video. To be specific, I want to talk about custom frameworks, so you can see how you can tailor the AI output exactly to what you need for your business or your niche. Let's suppose you have some particular niche or niche site and you want to have a great output tailored for your specific niche, or you want some kind of particular type of, let's say, headlines or introductions for your article. Here I am in the framework side of ClosersCopy. You can find it here in this menu. Let's close out Facebook. I don't need it. And to start a custom framework, I need to click on the New button here. And this interface opens up. I need to compile some of these fields. For example, the name of the framework, I call it just test 1. The category, I select blogs. Here is the creativity. This is the default value of creativity. I leave it like that for now. A description, I only put test 1. This is the field where I need to insert my instructions. Instructions are the training, the examples that AI uses in order to give us the new output. I went online and found some good example of, in this case, headlines. So I will copy here and I will explain how this is made. Here I have, if I remember well, 5,000 characters maximum I can use in my instructions. They are not too much, but they are not even too small as sample. Here I put some example. I found them on the net. Keyword: how to wash your car. Headline: 7 tips on how to wash your car by hand. This is our first example to train our AI algorithm. I put this triple hashtag. This is a separator, a stop sequence. Second example, keyword: when it's time to quit your job. Headline: 15 signs it's time to quit your job. Again, this is the stop sequence. Keyword: best places to retire in US. Headline: US News ranks best places to retire in US in 2022. Again, stop sequence. The fourth example, keyword: ways of cooking pasta. Headline: 5 different ways of cooking pasta. And again, the stop sequence. Now, these are 4 examples that feed the AI algorithm. Here I need to insert a variable. So The keyword will be input1, a variable, and headline will be our output, exactly as this example. Please note that I used the keyword and use the same keyword inside the headline, because this is I want to create an SEO oriented kind of framework. So these headlines will be SEO oriented with the keyword inserted in a sort of way inside the headline. The same here, the same here. Best places to retire in US, best places to retire in US, ways of cooking pasta, ways of cooking pasta. And please note also that I have a number in every headline, in every example of headline. I choose to put a number because numbers are really important in headlines and titles. They can make the CTR higher when someone see your title in the search engine, in the SERP. Okay, this is our instruction. It's very important that you format the instructions in the right way. AI loves to follow patterns, and what is the pattern here? There are more than one. Keyword and headline. Keyword, I place a keyword. Headline, I place a headline. Keyword, I place a keyword. And headline, I place a headline. Keyword, headline. Keyword, headline. This is the first pattern, and this will be the output. Keyword, our variable, and headline. Another pattern is the fact that the keyword is inserted inside the headline. This is another pattern. Keyword, the keyword is here. Keyword, the keyword is here, and so on. Another pattern here is the number. In every headline, there's a number. So there's a good chance, it's not certain, but there's a good chance that in our output there will be a number. So let's make an example. I take the input1 variable, okay, and let's say how to clean a house. I save this framework, and now I have my framework created, my custom framework. I go here, test one, this is our framework, I just created, I open it up, and okay, now I need to insert a keyword. I can put everything here, the keyword I want the AI to create some good headlines, or I can use our example. I click Use Example, How to Clean a House, and click Write for Me. Okay, here are our example, our output. As you can see, they are really creative because I selected in the training, in the instructions, I put some creative titles, headlines. So, how to clean a house by hand, a step-by-step guide, 5 easy ways to clean your house. As you can see, there's the number. Here, there's not the number, but here, there's the number. Here, there's the number. Here, there's the number, because the AI recognized the pattern. Our keyword, how to clean a house. Let's see. How to clean a house. Here, the keyword. Ways to clean your house is slightly different. Here we don't have the keyword exactly, like we put it here. Ways to clean a house and ways to clean a house. This is why we don't have the keyword in every title, or quite every title, because I leave the creativity high. If I put this to 0, I suppose and I expect the AI to put this exact keyword in our new output. Let's see. Okay, how to clean a house in 5 simple steps, 7 ways to clean a house, how to clean a house, the ultimate guide, how to clean a house step by step, how to clean a house properly. So as you can see, if I put this setting, creativity setting to strict, the AI is less creative. The AI algorithm follow even more our pattern. So the fact, in this case, that the keyword is inserted inside quite every output, not all, obviously. This is first example, but let's say we want something more. We want to create, instead of headlines, some introductions, so blog article introductions. I prepared other example. Now I copy them into our instruction. Give me a moment. Okay, let's delete this. Perfect. These are our instruction. Let me correct a little bit of this. It's really important when you create this framework. The formatting must be perfect. So if you place a symbol here, it needs to be the same here. It needs to be the same here in every example, and it needs to be the same here when we define the variable. If we leave a space between this example and the stop sequence, we always need to leave a space. It needs to be perfectly the same for every example. If we use the word headline and intro, it needs to be again headline and intro, and here headline and intro. Other ways the AI may be confused and not give you the perfect output. In this case, I grabbed from some sites some headlines and the relative intro paragraph. And if you note, these are some intro about affiliate reviews, affiliate kind of articles. And if you read here, we've tested all these styles using and so on. Again, here we spent 3 months testing 6 fire pits. Again, here again, we spent a combined 95 hours researching, testing, and so on. So I expect, this is a pattern, obviously, and I expect in our output to have something like this. This is why these kind of custom frameworks are really useful, because you can tailor them as you want. If you like this kind of intro with sentences like this, you can create them. Let's put here something more, 1,000 characters of maximum length of our output. Let's save and let's see how it goes. Open. I use the example, but I can use what I want. This is an intro paragraph, and for an intro paragraph, I found that it's better to leave the creative to strict. For headlines, it's better to give the AI more creativity, but here it's better like this, but you can always test obviously this kind of parameters. So let's click write for me and let's wait some seconds for our outputs. Okay, here are our first outputs. As you can see, this is quite short, 44 words. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your house, we've got you covered. We tested, here is the pattern, we tested 14 different methods. I suppose even in the order, we tested the book with a few of our own homes. As you can see, the AI respected the pattern. Let's see if Here there's something similar. We recommend using. Okay, here we have not some kind of testing, but it's okay. We tested 10 different methods. You can see what I mean. You can have the style of intro you like by creating this kind of frameworks. This is a real power of ClosersCopy. If you don't like this, you can play with creativity. For example, let's put it to 30 and write again. Okay, these are our new outputs. I took the creative to 30, a little bit more, so we have something different. And as you can see here, our pattern is slightly less respected because I used an higher creativity. Okay, this is all about custom frameworks, but let's see how workflows work. Workflows are really useful because they are some kind of group of frameworks, and they will speed up your work so much. Now I delete this because I already created before. We are in the workflows. Obviously, I click on new. And I can now select the frameworks that I want to put inside my workflow. For example, I created this one, SEO Ranker headline. I click on the plus and add it here. SEO Ranker introduction here, and SEO Ranker outline. Okay, I give a name to this workflow. I call it test workflow, category blogs, and save. Okay, now I have my test workflow. I open it up, and here are my 3 steps, because these are the 3 frameworks I inserted into this workflow. So let's start by creating a headline for, okay, Smart TV. Right for me, and let's wait some seconds. Here it is. These are some ideas. Smart TV, 7 facts about the new technology. How to choose a smart TV. How to set up a smart TV. Top 10 smart TV brands of... Here we can change it in 2022. 8 reasons why you should get a smart TV. Let's say we like this one. I add it here. This is our H1. I go to step 2 in our workflow. I copy this here. Our keyword is Smart TV, and I click Write for me. And let's go for our introduction. Okay, here are our intros. Let's read very fast. Let's say we like this. If you're looking to get a smart TV, it's not just because they're getting cheaper. There are many reasons why you should consider getting a smart TV. Okay, let's say we like this one. We have our, let's do like this. We have our intro, and now I want to create an outline. So I put it here, our headline. Our keyword is Smart TV. Write for me, and we wait for our outline. As you can see, this really speed up the work because you have your step. You can create all the workflow you want. You can create them as you want. Use the one you find in ClosersCopy. Use the one you create, and so on. We have some ideas of outline. What can they do? The future of television, a new way to watch TV, how to choose a smart TV, how does a smart TV work? Let's say we like this one. I put it here. This will be our H2s, and so on. I can go on with my article. Maybe I can create a new framework for expanding all these H2, and this is how workflow works. It's simply a group of frameworks that it's very, very useful to personalize your workflow experience inside ClosersCopy. Okay, that's all for this video, but I want to remember you that below this video you can find my affiliate link for buying ClosersCopy and take the chance before the lifetime deal ends. You can really have this app and create all the text, the scripts, the copy you want for the rest of your life by buying the unlimited version of ClosersCopy for a one-time fee. Thank you very much. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I will thank you because you will help me to grow, and click on the bell if you want to receive notifications for new videos like this. Thank you again. Bye bye.